They were at every step along with me, be it competitions, be it providing short-term projects, be it resume building, and be it placement prep. So it really felt as a family who were there from the very start till the very end. Hi guys, I am Ayush. I am working as a leadership trainee with Group M, and I have done my MBA in marketing from IMT Ghaziabad. The main reason why I joined this program was that I was going for an internship with Group M, and it was a media agency, so I had to have the knowledge of digital. In MBA first year, most of you will realize that you don't study many digital subjects. The program, it talks about social, display, integrated media planning, and integrated media planning is one subject that really helps you. Craftshaala's curriculum structure is in the way that they bring the expertise of the people, industry people into the course. So they are able to tell the practical application of it. So it really helped me in that way. So apart from that, you have access to industry experts. So you might be thinking, right, like I want to connect to a person in the industry before the placements, and you probably go on LinkedIn searching for that and messaging. 10 people in line out of 10 usually don't even say hi to you. Now here is the platform Craftshaala, wherein there were industry experts in every field. In fact, I booked 2 calls also with the mentors, and I had a 1 hour long call with them. So it really helped me structure my thoughts, structure my interview, and what else I need to do for the future. So I think that was a very differentiating factor from the rest of the programs in the market. So because my concepts were clear, like I had a strong base. So from the very first day, I was not afraid to ask questions to the senior people, because I knew that what I am speaking makes sense, because I already have gone through it. So it gives you an internal confidence. I consider Varun Sathya, who is also the founder of Craftshaala, as my mentor. He was one person whom I have had 4 calls. I know he's a very busy person, and he was still available for me to guide me. He always took out time to tell me the right things. His guidance really helped me. Many people don't realize while joining MBA that shift placements, if you are in first year, will start right after 3 or 4 months. And probably you would have covered only 6 chapters of Kotler. Just imagine if you are a fresher, if you are coming from IT background, if you are coming from operations background, any background, after 4 months, they are telling you to sit for a company with a marketing profile. Don't consider this program as a, if you will be able to get a placement out of it. It's not a placement support. Although you get an option, they obviously have a placement companies which they have partnered with. But I would strongly suggest do this for knowledge, and do this to get hold of a practical experience. So that will really help you.